Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix if watch history not available on your TikTok. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, watch history feature is not available on my app as well. So simply first of all you have to go back and you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, on the right top you will see update option. So simply you have to click on this update button, and once you will update it, try to find out the watch history option on your TikTok. If it's not, simply go back and tap a while on the TikTok application. Now click on this I button and go to this storage and the cache and clear your storage and log into your account again. Maybe your problem will be fixed. So this is the only way to fix the watch history option not available. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.